Hello everyone. Welcome to this video showcasing the latest updates to BoldDesk. We've introduced advanced features driven by market trends and customer feedback to enhance performance, broaden usability, and boost overall customer satisfaction. Let's take a look at these features, organized by module. First, let's look at the ticketing module. We have introduced ticket templates to boost agent productivity by enabling the quick creation of tickets. Agents can locate this feature on the ticket creation page of the agent portal. Just click the Choose a Template drop-down menu. Agents can create and save ticket templates with pre-filled information, which they can then select when generating a new ticket. Admins can locate this feature in the Admin module in the Manage section. They can choose to share these templates with specific groups or with everyone in the organization. Please note that this feature is not available in the Scale or Essential plan, though. For example, imagine an organization that is about to onboard new hires. The HR department must coordinate various software installations according to the new hires' assigned teams to ensure that each new hire's laptop is equipped with the required software before their start date. To streamline this process, HR utilizes team-specific software installation ticket templates to organize and standardize the software requests, which the IT department subsequently handles. Next, in the Advanced Ticket filter, two new fields, Ticket Form and Brand Changed, have been added. They make it easier for you to view the tickets created using specific forms and those whose brand has changed. We have also added support to filter tickets based on the integrated app item ID. Now, agents will be able to find tickets that are associated with integrated apps. This support is provided for Jira and Azure DevOps linked tickets. For example, to find a ticket linked to Jira, you can apply the condition Marketplace app is Jira software. This filter will display only the tickets that are linked to Jira. Additionally, agents can filter tickets using the Jira or Azure DevOps item ID. For example, to find a ticket with a Jira or Azure DevOps task ID of 1234, you'd apply the condition Marketplace linked item ID is task 1234. We have added a new sorting option, Requester Responded, to the ticket sorting feature. This allows agents to organize tickets based on the time since the requester last responded, in either ascending or descending order. This enhances visibility of response times and improves overall ticket management. Next, we've introduced two new filter options for suspended emails. The suspension cause and sender email filter options help agents refine their search. This enhancement helps users quickly find and manage specific suspended emails, streamlining email management. We've also added new fields to the ticket export function. The approval-related field and satisfaction rating field are now available when exporting tickets. Agents can select these fields in the ticket export window. We have made changes to permissions, letting agents mark a ticket as spam and delete a ticket. Previously, an agent was required to have global ticket access to do this. Now, this permission has been simplified, and agents who have access to the tickets and the appropriate Manage Ticket Spam or Manage Ticket Deletion permissions can mark tickets as spam or delete them. We've enhanced the Clone Ticket feature to support changing a ticket's brand. Agents can now change the brand of a ticket when cloning it, allowing for greater flexibility in managing tickets across different brands. In this release, a new feature has been implemented that will automatically remove the suspended emails and spam tickets from BoldDesk. Emails that are marked as suspended or spam will be permanently deleted from the system after 30 days. Now, let's look at the updates made to artificial intelligence. We've introduced a new module called Custom Answers, which is a new data source for the AI copilot for contents that are not included in the knowledge base. Custom answers allow you to add specific questions and answers to guide the AI. These custom answers are used exclusively by the copilot and won't be directly visible to your end users. In the KB module, you will find Custom Answers in the Artificial Intelligence section. Once a custom answer is created, it is added to the copilot data source immediately and will be used to generate responses when a relevant question is asked. We've improved the AI unanswered page to enhance usability. We have implemented a feature that allows the categorization of unanswered questions by their status. Users can now classify logs as processed, pending, or irrelevant or junk and review them. In addition, agents can now create an article, ticket, activity, or custom answer for unanswered questions. This information is converted into data sources for the AI to use when responding to similar questions in the future. Next are the updates made to the Integrations module. We have added a new MS Teams integration. In the marketplace of the Admin Center, admins will find the MS Teams app, which they can install and configure to enable support teams to schedule and join meetings directly from BoldDesk. Once installed, agents will find the Schedule Meeting option on the More Options menu in the Ticket Details page. With this integration, users can schedule, modify, or cancel an online meeting from BoldDesk, access meetings through BoldDesk, add attendees for a meeting, add a meeting event to their Microsoft calendar, send a reminder email to the attendees via Microsoft Teams. The scheduled meeting will be created as an activity on the ticket, with meeting details updated as comments once the activity is created. Additionally, the meeting details will be emailed to the user and added to their Microsoft calendar. Next, for Microsoft Entra ID, support is provided that allows admins to set up 10 distinct agent configurations by entering unique Microsoft custom role IDs. This includes specifying the corresponding ticket access scope, ticket brand access, and roles required to synchronize the agents from Microsoft Entra ID. Now, let's see the updates made to the Reports module. We have added support in the Scheduled Report feature to include the Customer Satisfaction and Work Log modules. Previously, only the Tickets module was supported, but now admins can set up scheduled reports for the Customer Satisfaction and Work Log modules too. Additionally, in the Scheduled Reports, the Tickets module can include all the ticket metrics and approval-related fields for export. The BoldDesk team has enhanced the ticket metrics report by adding new fields. The tag field, approval-related fields, and average response time field are now included in the column chooser, allowing agents to select them and view their corresponding details. Next is the enhancement made to the SLA dashboard's advanced filter, which now includes 2 new fields for tracking SLA achievements and breaches by both agent and group. The Agent Performance dashboard has been enhanced with new tabs under Consolidated Agent Statistics. The SLA and Messages by SLA have been added to track the SLA-related metrics. Now, let's move to the update made to the Admin module. We've introduced an option for admins to bulk send verification emails when importing contact or agent information. In the Import Data module, the admin can enable the Send Verification Email checkbox, which sends newly added users an email to verify their accounts. Additionally, users can now import tickets with custom fields. Previously, there were only BoldDesk system fields. Admins can now map custom ticket fields, making it easier to import tickets with all necessary details. We've provided support for admins to disable 2-factor authentication for users. In previous updates, BoldDesk provided 2-factor authentication for agents and contacts, allowing them to enable an extra layer of security for their accounts. Administrators can now disable this 2-factor authentication for a particular agent or contact in scenarios such as device loss, damage, or when the device is not in the possession of the owner. Once the 2-factor authentication is disabled, the agent's or the contact's configured 2-factor authentication device will be removed, ensuring smooth access to the account. Let's look at the updates made to the automation rules. We've introduced a new action for soft deleting tickets in the Create and Update ticket triggers. Admins can use these triggers rules to soft delete tickets based on specific keywords in the subject or description. In the Set Action tab, choose the Delete the Ticket field and set the value to True to perform the action. We've also provided support to send emails to users listed in the CC field of a ticket. BoldDesk software supports a maximum of 48 addresses in the CC field, and admins can send automated emails to them without selecting them individually. This capability is provided in the Set Action tab. Here, select Send Email to User, and then select the CC users. In the Update ticket triggers, we've added the Is Changed operator for the brand field. This allows admins to set up rules that trigger when a ticket has its brand changed. Additional fields have been added in the Create Ticket and Update Ticket Triggers conditions. The ticket form and CC email fields have been added to the automation conditions, allowing admins to configure rules that trigger based on them. In the Customer Portal settings, we provide support for configuring SEO for the Customer Portal homepage under the KB tab to improve its visibility and ranking in search results. We have added support for searching for articles using tags in the Customer Portal. In the Article Details page, a tag value is displayed. Clicking on this tag allows users to view a list of articles that are linked to the tag. Finally, Let's see the updates made to the mobile application. First, we have improved the design of the contact and approval modules. The appearance has been redesigned to offer a simpler and more attractive user interface. The option to change the brand of a ticket is now available in the mobile app. Previously, this feature was exclusively available on the web application. With this new support in the mobile app, agents can now manage ticket brands more easily from anywhere. Next, we have the agent signature feature, which is now integrated into the mobile app. Previously, agent signatures were exclusive to replies made through the web app. Now, when an agent opens the reply editor for a ticket in the mobile app, their signature is automatically included. Signatures can be set up globally across the brand or individually for each agent via the web application. And these settings will seamlessly carry over to the mobile app. Thanks for watching this video, which covered the latest features and enhancements to BoldDesk's modules. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.